If you're seeing Epic Games error code 404, don't worry, because in most cases this is a connection issue, a browser cache problem, or a temporary server-side glitch. In this video, I'll walk you through the easiest fixes first and then move into the more advanced steps so you can get back into the Epic Games launcher and the store as quickly as possible. If this tutorial helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more quick fixes and gaming tutorials. Let's get started. The first thing to do is fully close Epic Games and restart your internet connection. A simple restart can fix a surprising number of launcher errors. Go to the system tray in the bottom right corner of your screen, find the Epic Games icon, right-click it, and choose Exit so the launcher closes completely. After that, restart your router or modem, unplug it from power, wait about 30 seconds, and then plug it back in. This refreshes your network connection and clears temporary communication issues that can trigger error 404. Once your internet is back online, open Epic Games again and try signing in or loading the store. If the error is still there, the next step is to clear the web cache, because this is one of the most common fixes for Epic Games launcher problems. The launcher stores temporary web data to speed things up, but when that data gets corrupted or outdated, it can cause pages not to load properly. To clear the cache, close Epic Games again first, then open File Explorer and go to your user profile folder. From there, look for the Epic Games Launcher cache folders in the App Data area. If you don't see App Data, make sure hidden items are enabled in File Explorer. Once you find the web cache folder, delete the cached files inside it, then reopen the launcher. Don't worry, this will not remove your account or uninstall your games. It only clears temporary data, so Epic can rebuild fresh files the next time it opens. After that, try Epic Games again and see if the 404 error is gone. If you still can't access the store or sign in, the next thing to try is switching networks. Sometimes the issue is not with your PC at all, but with your internet provider or your current connection route. If you're on Wi-Fi, try switching to a mobile hotspot for a moment and test the launcher again. If you're already using a VPN, turn it off and try without it, because some VPNs can interfere with Epic's login and store access. If changing networks helps, then the issue was likely connection related. If not, the next step is to check the Epic Games server status. Sometimes error 404 appears because Epic is having a temporary outage, maintenance, or a service issue on their end. Open the official Epic Games status page and see whether the login service, store, or launcher services are reporting problems. If the servers are down, the best fix is usually to wait until Epic resolves it. If everything looks fine on the server side and the error still won't go away, the last step is to reinstall the Epic Games launcher. This gives you a fresh copy of the launcher files and can fix damaged installation data. Uninstall the launcher from your computer, then go to the official Epic Games website and download the newest installer. Install it again, sign back in, and test the store or launcher one more time. In most cases, one of these steps will solve Epic Games error code 404, especially clearing the web cache or restarting your router. Start with the easiest fixes first, then move down the list until the problem is gone. If this video helped you, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss future fix guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.